Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Students, this is the last lesson of unit 4, that is data communication. In this lesson we will discuss some data communication terminologies, some important communication terminologies. The following are few important terminologies used for data communication: data rate, baud rate, bandwidth, signal to noise ratio. These are the four communication terminologies that we will discuss in this lesson. First, data rate. Data rate or bit rate is the speed at which binary digits, means bits, would be transmitted over a communication path. It is expressed in bits per second. Normally when we measure, or when we want to know the speed of the internet or the network, so we used to see, or we used to measure it in bits per second or bytes per second or you can define it like bit rate is the measure of the number of data bits, that is zeros and ones, transmitted in 1 second in a communication channel. So both definitions are valid and correct. For example, 2400 bits per second means 2400 zeros or ones can be transmitted in 1 second. So that is actually called the data rate. It is also called bit rate. Baud rate. Baud is a unit of signaling speed. Baud rate is the amount of times per second a signal within a communication channel changes state. Means that how many times in a unit time the signal will change its state, that is called the baud rate. For example, 1000 baud rate means that it can change state 1000 times per second. Within a single second it will 1000 times changes its state. So that is called baud rate, 1000 times per second. In simple terms, baud rate is the speed at which data is transmitted, because during the transmission of the data the signal changes its state. So as faster the signal changes its state, faster the communication is. Baud rate is associated with modems, digital televisions, telephones and other such devices. A higher baud rate is preferred to send faster transmission. So baud rate and data rate, they are related in a way that higher the baud rate, higher the data rate. The third terminology is that is bandwidth. Bandwidth is the information carrying capability of a communication channel or line expressed in cycles per second, or hertz. This is the unit in which we can measure it. Hertz means these are cycles, so the unit is hertz, like frequency. Different communication systems use different bandwidths for different purposes. Remember that bandwidth is the maximum capacity of a medium to carry information. There are three types of bandwidths or communication lines. They are voice band or low speed channels, medium band or medium speed channels, and broadband or high speed channels. So these are three different types of channels on the basis of bandwidth. The fourth terminology, that is signal to noise ratio. Signal to noise ratio, or S divided by N, or sometimes we call it SNR, is the ratio of the relative power levels of a voice data communication signal and the noise on a line, expressed in decibels dB. Noise is a sound, so it is measured in decibels. This is the formula to measure the noise, the signal to noise ratio. SNR stands for signal to noise ratio is equal to signal divided by noise. The power of the signal, power levels of a voice data communication signal, and divided by the noise on a line. SNR is actually the ratio of what is wanted signal to what is not wanted, that is noise. As we can define noise, that it is the unwanted data on the line is called noise, and signal means the required or the wanted data or signal on the line is called signal, and the unwanted signal or data is called noise. A high SNR means that signal is less corrupted by noise. A low SNR means the signal is more corrupted by noise, which is very clear from the equation given above, that if the noise increases, the signal will become more weak or it will become more corrupted. So as a result, SNR will be less. If a high SNR means that signal is less corrupted, and low SNR means signal is more corrupted by noise. Finally, the formula for data rate and baud rate, how we can measure them, these two terminologies. Data rate can be measured in terms of BPS or bits per second, is equal to baud rate, the number of times signal changes per unit time, baud per second, multiply by the number of bits per baud. The number of bits per baud, when these two terms are multiplied, it will give you the data rate. If you want to calculate the baud rate, so you can calculate it from the same equation which is given above. You just have to move the number of bits per second here, and it will become in division with the data rate. So baud per second, it is equal to data rate in terms of bits per second divided by the number of bits per baud. So you have to memorize these two equations for exam purposes. And this was the last lesson, and the last topic was formulas for these two terms, that is data rate and baud rate. So students, these were some of the data communication terminologies that we have studied in this lesson. If you have any question, you can ask me those questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.